Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what happens to that glass bottle you throw away after finishing your drink? Does it simply vanish or does it get a second chance to live a new life? Glass bottles are everywhere around us, holding water, juice, sources, medicines and so much more, but when they are discarded they can either become part of a growing environment problem or part of an amazing solution. Today, let's take a journey into the world of glass bottle recycling and see how something so simple can make a big difference from our planet. Glass is one of the oldest materials created by the human. Unlike many others, material glass is 100% recyclable and can be recycled endless without losing quality or purity. That's mean a glass bottle you use today could be melted down and turned into another bottle over and over again forever, but sadly millions of tons of glass, steel and up in the landfill everywhere where they may take thousands of years to discomp that's why recycling is not just an option, it's a necessary. So how does the recycling of glass bottles actually work? It's all start with collection. People place used glass bottles into recycle bin, or they are gathered from restaurant, office and factories. From there they are transported to recycle center. Next comes the sorting and cleaning. Sorted the bottles are separated by the color, matter, green or brown because color matter when they producing new glass. Then they are washed to remove labels, caps and any leftover liquid. After cleaning, the glass bottles are sent through machine that crush them into small pieces, collect the raw and material used in the glass production. The cullet is then heated in the massive furnace and extremely high temperature, often above 1400 degrees Celsius. At this stage, the glass melts and become a glowing liquid material. Finally, the molten glass is shaped and molded into a new production. Bottles, jars, tiles, and every even glass fiber used in construction and technology. And just like that, an old bottle is reborn. Environment benefits. Recycling glass bottle is not just about saving space in landfill, it is about saving energy and protecting the environment. Did you know that recycling just one glass bottle save enough energy to power a light bulb of 4 hours? That's because making a new glass from a new raw material like sand, soda ash and limestone requires a lot of energy, but when we use recycled glass the furnace need less heat, sorry which mean less fuel in the burn and less carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. In addition, recycling reduces the need for raw material. This helps preserve natural resources and prevent large scale mining that can damage landscapes. This helps every bottle recycle mean fewer emission, fewer pollution and the heat. The healthier planet. What happens after recycling is truly recycled glass can return as a brand new bottle and jar ready to be filled with your favorite drink and food items. But that's not all. Recycled glass is also used in construction material like a bricks and tiles. It can be transformed into a glass wool, which is an excellent material for installation in homes and buildings. Some artists even use recycled glass to create a beautiful sculpture and decorations. So, so the next time you see a glass bottle, remember it has become a part of building a piece of art, simply another bottle carrying new life again and again. Recycle work best when everyone plays their part. The process begins at home instead of throwing away a glass bottle.